showing you how to make the Lego Jazz Orca boat, and here are the pieces that you need. So first, these are 2 pieces, and they snap right together. The shark, 2 pieces, snap right together, and then which one is this piece, and then this is right there. What's that, guys? Like that. It's a little drawer that opens. Now what you want to take is a red one, put it in there, and these are sodas. Then a green one, put it in there. And there's a little refrigerator in this. You might want to put it in the corner like that. And then what you want is this piece, and then this piece like that. And then 2 black slopes, this piece, and 2 studs, and this says the telephone. And what you want is this piece, then 4 studs on this, like that. And then this goes on the orange piece. Then what you want to do is want to skip 2, like a square. And what you want is, that's pretty much the inside. And then what you want is one of these large windows. You want to put that in there, right there. And then what you want is one of these clear. I couldn't really find any of the same, so I just used a different colored windows. And then what you want is 2 of these pieces. Put those right there. What you want is 2 of these. There, a little doorway, right there. And what you want is one of these. This is going to be for the top, like that. And then what you want is 1 brown flat piece. What you want is a dark brown piece, like the rest of these. And that goes like there. And this is the bell that is in the movie. That. And then what you want is the staff. Then what you want is 2 pieces, and they snap right on. And you want 1. Is this piece. One sec. That piece. What you want is snap that right on. Then put on the top of the first one. Then the second one. Then the third. And that goes right there. And what you want is this dark black piece. And that goes right there. And then what you want is 2 of these. And the windows will flick off if you're not being careful, so watch out for that. Like they will flick off. I'll get that later. Thanks, Annie. And then if after the first one it might be stable enough to hold in place. So guys, there we go, like that. There's a brown. And then which one is this piece? And which one is 2 of these, and then 2 of these, and then which one is this piece? Then 1 stud, and then like that. And then I'm gonna put on the second. There's your light that will rotate around. Then which one is the steering wheel? You want to kind of put that on this side, the opposite of this. And then what you want is the bell, and you want to put it on this side. In the movie, there's a bell. Then what you want, one second, so let me just put this on. There we go. Not right there. I'm going to put this on last. Then what you want is this piece, and that goes right there. And then what you want is this piece, Then the gray slope.
Oh, that's the cleat.
And then which one is same thing as like that. Then you want another gray stud, and I did this wrong. One sec. And like that. Then what you want is this piece. Then what you want is 4 of these, 4. And then you want to just kind of knock these guys in there, like that. And what you want is this piece, the same exact, and then it goes right there. And then there's the back of the boat. Then what you want is the staff, goes right there. And what you want is this piece, and then this piece, then this piece. Then the clear piece goes right there, then this piece goes right there, like in the movie. Then make a flat square, like that. And then this barrel, then I couldn't really find the round yellow pieces. I do have them, I just can't really find them. But I just use squares, so whatever. And then it's basically the boat and the shark. And then who's trying to trump the boat. And then